Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I don't even really know what to say. A couple of years ago I bought this car for my wife from somebody who had crashed it. The very first video I ever made on it, I rebuilt this very front end. You can see where it was crashed. And I replaced it with a brand new AutoZone axle. Well, today that brand new axle broke and it wrecked my car. Let me show you. I got a call about 10 minutes after my wife left home. And she said the car made a really loud grinding noise as she was making a turn. So she parked it on the side of the road. I'm gonna head over there and see if I can help her out. All right, I just told her to stay in the car right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a look around. First thing I noticed, I put my head underneath it and saw a big pile of transmission oil underneath there. But I don't like this spot. I found a parking lot about a half mile away down the road. I'm gonna see if I can move the car there. Well, it was able to limp down the road, stalled out right here, but I got it started again and we got it down to that parking lot. This is the last thing I need right now. Hopefully this isn't anything serious. All right, here's the car in that parking lot. I got my wife and kids somewhere else and I'm gonna take a look at this. Get it jacked up with the jack stand nice and safely and try and take this tire off real quick. So now I'm just looking around to see if there's anything out of place. Here we've got that steering knuckle. You can see the boot for that axle all twisted and torn up back there. I can't exactly tell what's going on yet. I'm gonna take this knuckle apart. I've already got the strut bolt out. I'm gonna take these wires off the knuckle because to my frustration when I got here I realized my axle nut sockets weren't with me, so I'm gonna take the whole knuckle with me instead of taking the axle out of the knuckle. Alright, so here we'll just do that real quickly. Just using a wrench to take off the brake caliper. Got to get the outer tie rod removed and then the upper ball joint and the lower ball joint. I've got that ABS wire out of there just now. Now I'm just gonna take those bolts off those ball joints and use my pickle fork to separate those. Well, at least the weather is nice. This is going along quickly and I'm about to get that out. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so terrible news. Check this out. There's a hole in the transmission right there where the axle shaft blew through that boot and smacked a hole in the side of that transmission. I just had to take a few minutes here. Alright, so now I'm going to try and remove that piece of the axle that's still stuck back there. That pickle fork ended up working better. All right. There you go, AutoZone axle. Break my freaking transmission. Now what do I do about that? She's wrecked, man. I think I'm just gonna take a walk around the building for a minute. Try and figure out what to do. Dang it, I don't even know how to feel. I'm a little bit of sad, a little bit of angry. There's a look at that axle. I'm not sure what happened. Even a few months ago on live stream, I replaced the other axle because I was convinced it couldn't have been this side. I got an alignment after it was done. So I'm not really sure what happened, but it ruined my car and my wife's only mode of transportation. So something new to look forward to in the coming weeks, dealing with all this and trying to get this back home. Thanks for all the support. Subscribe means the most to me. There's links down below if you want to donate and help out for a new vehicle. That'll for sure be coming in the next couple of months. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you liked the video and leave me some support, and I'll see you on the next episode of Roadside Rescue.